Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our second unit test syllabus. So chapter 17, Macbeth. This is a story about the Lady Macbeth and her husband, how they have murdered the person for getting the kingship, and afterwards they repented on this thing. The Lady Macbeth, how she behaved. She was behaving that she has realized her mistakes and she want to get the death, she want to die. In this chapter we will learn about that one thing. This is an extract which is given in your book. The whole novel is different. It is written by William Shakespeare. So the play Macbeth is a tragedy written by William Shakespeare. So it tells the story of Macbeth, a great thane or lord in the court of Duncan, the king of Scotland. So Macbeth is a lord and Duncan is a king. That is a king of Scotland. Lured by the prophecies of three witches who claim that he will become king one day, and driven by the ambition of his evil wife, Macbeth kills the good and the kind King Duncan. He also killed the Banquo, another powerful thane of Scotland, the family of the thane of the Fife, in the order to remove all the hurdles to coveted crown of Scotland. So one time it was happened that Macbeth and Banquo was coming from the forest, and he met with the three witches. They did the prediction that the Macbeth will become the king after the Duncan, the king of the Scotland, and afterwards the son of the Macbeth will not become the king afterwards. Then the Banquo's son will become the king. So he was very worried. He want to become the king, and for that thing he discussed the all matter with her, with his wife, and she said that we should kill the King Duncan, king of Scotland, for getting the kingship. And he was lured by that one thing, and he was tempted by that one thing, and he murdered the king of the Scotland, Duncan, and afterwards the hurdle was Banquo's son that will become the king after the Macbeth. So he want to remove all the obstacle for his son also. So he decided to kill the Banquo also. That was the prediction of witches that was becoming true. So, however, guilt does not let Macbeth and his wife rest in peace, but they were felt guilty because they have murdered the person. So, in the following scene, Lady Macbeth, tormented by her conscience, walks in her sleep at night, rubbing her hands, talking to herself. In this chapter, there is only description about the Macbeth, Lady Macbeth, that how she was feeling after that guilt. She was tormented by the conscience, that she was worrying excessively. Tormented means to worry excessively. So, here is three characters in this one extract. The doctor of physics, that is gentlewoman, the lady in waiting. Next is Lady Macbeth, the wife of King Macbeth. Three characters are here. So firstly, there is scene 1, stage is there. So doctor came, I have 2 nights watched with you, but can perceive no truth in your report. When was it she last walked? So now the doctor is asking for the gentlewoman, who was the lady who was waiting over there. He asked that when was the last time when she has walked? Can you tell me who has walked? Lady Macbeth. He was asking about that lady. Now the gentlewoman, since His Majesty went into the field, I have seen her rise from the bed, throw her nightgown upon her, unlock her closet, take forth paper, fold it, write upon it, read it, afterwards seal it, and again return to bed, yet all this time while in a most fast asleep. So the gentlewoman said that I just saw him doing all the routine works, that he gets up and fold the papers and seal them and keep it up, because she was mentally disturbed on that time, Lady Macbeth, because she was guilty for her deeds. So doctor, a great perturbation in nature to receive at once the benefit of sleep and do not effects of watching in this slumbery agitation besides her walking and other actual performances. What at any time have you heard her say? So here is word perturbation, that means disturbance. Next one word is slumbery agitation. That means disturbed stage of sleeplessness. So she was disturbed whenever she sleeps. She was disturbed and she always walks from here and there. She rubs her hands because she was guilty. So gentlewoman gets her, which I will not report after her. Doctor, you may to me, and it is most meet you should. So he said that you should report me after the about these things, because it is a most essential. Most meet means most essential. So gentlewoman, neither to you nor anyone having no witness to confirm my speech, enter Lady Macbeth with the paper. So she said that we have no any evidence that we can prove, we don't have any witness that we can prove anything, that but the evidence they were finding that death of King of Scotland, that Duncan, and now her husband was also died. He want to get the witness that what is happening in their city. So lo you, here she comes, this is her very guise, and upon my life fast asleep, observe her stand close. So in the usual appearance, very guise means usual appearance. Lady Macbeth came, and in her hand there was, in the doctor's hand there was one note, and he was showing to the Lady Macbeth. He want to get the evidence, he want to get the witness that what was happening. Doctor, how came she by that light, gentlewoman? Why it stood by her? She has light by her continually. It is her command. Doctor, you see her eyes are open. Now her eyes are open, but she is sleeping. She was walking in the sleep, that is why her eyes were open, but internally she was sleeping. Her senses were not work. Gentlewoman, but their sense is shut. Now he said that her senses is shut. That means the eyes do not see anything. Doctor, what is it she does now? Look how she rubs her hand, gentlewoman. It is an accustomed action with her to seem thus washing her hands. I have known her continue in this quarter of an hour. She said that is her habit, that she always rub the hand like she is washing her hands. Lady Macbeth, jet, here's a spot. Now she decided that here is a spot, I have to stand here. Doctor, hark, she speaks. I will set down what comes from her to satisfy my remembrance the more strongly. Now he want to satisfy her remembrance, that to make sure I remember accurately, he want to show some paper to her. Lady Macbeth, out damn spot, out I say, 1, 2, why then it is time to do it. Hell is murky. Now he said that the hell is murky, that means hell is dark. Why I do not get die? Fie, my lord, fie. She want to get die, that means fie is a English exclamation expressing disgust or reproach, because she want to get die. What need we fear? Who knows it? When none can call our power to account. Now she said that no one can get us, no one can tie us, because no one has any evidence. She is speaking with herself. Yet who would have thought the old man to have had so much blood in him? No, this old man cannot understand all these things. Doctor, do you mark that? Now he said that, have you marked that one thing, that page he was showing? Lady Macbeth, the Thenay 5 had a wife. Where is she now? What will these hands never be clean? No, moreover, that my lord, no, moreover, that you all with this starting. She asked about the 5 had a wife. Where is she now? So, she is asking about the wife of a Banquo. Then doctor, go to, you have known what you should not. Now doctor was very disturbed by that actions, because he knows that he is a physician, but it is a work of a psychologist. That person can understand that lady, because she was mentally disturbed. Gentlewoman, she has spoken what she should not. I am sure of that heaven knows what she has known. Now the gentlewoman said that no one knows, only the heaven, that means God knows all the things. Lady Macbeth, here's the smell of blood still. All the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand. Oh. Now she is disturbed. Lady Macbeth is disturbed. She wants to clear all the evidence. That is why she said that here is the smell of a blood. So all the Arabian perfumes should be brought for that one thing, to remove this smell of the blood. Doctor, what a sigh is there. The heart is sorely charged. So he said that what happened to her? She is very sad and disturbed. Sorely charged. Sad and disturbed. Now, gentlewoman, I would not have such a heart in my bosom. Now he said that I have not any time I have not realized this type of conscience for the dignity of the whole body. For social prestige, I have not realized all these things any time. Doctor, well. Gentlewoman, pray God it be, sir. Now woman said that we should pray for her. Doctor, this disease is beyond my practice, yet I have known those which have walked in their sleep, who have died holily in their beds. So doctor said this is beyond me, because I cannot do anything. It all is in the hands of the God. Lady Macbeth, wash your hand, put on your nightgowns, look not so pale. I tell you yet again, Banquo's buried, he cannot come out of grave. She now telling herself that I should wash my hand, I have to put my nightgown. She was looking very pale, she was looking yellowish, pale means yellowish. She said that Banquo has buried, but Banquo has, in the actual sense, Banquo has died. Banquo has killed that person who was her husband, that means Mr. Macbeth. He cannot come out of the grave. Now she said that he cannot come out of the the grave. Doctor, even so, Lady Macbeth, too bad, there's knocking at the gate. Come, give me your hand. What's done cannot be done. Too bad. She is disturbed. That is why she is always telling that too bad, come, and someone is there at the gate, because she was thinking only about the thing that was happened, that they have murdered the king, and how they have hand over those knives in the hands of the guards, and they escaped themselves. Doctor, will she go now to bed? Now doctor asked that she will go to the bed now. Gentlewoman, directly she said that now directly she will go over there. Doctor, fall whisperings are abroad. Abroad mean all around. Unnatural deeds do breed unnatural troubles. Infected minds, that means guilty minds, to their deaf pillows will discharge their secrets. More need she the divines than the physician. God, forgive us all, look after her, remove from her the means of all annoyance, and still keep eyes upon her. So good night, my mind she has mated. She held my attention, made me think, and amazed my sight. I think, but dare not speak. Now the doctor realized that only God can help her, so he decided to pray for that lady. Now gentlewoman also said, good night, good doctor. So this play ends up here. Here is one brief story about the Lady Macbeth, that how she has repented after the murder, but it is a long play which you can search over the YouTube and learn more that what happened over there. Thanks and have a nice day.